Hi everyone, welcome to DIY Ideas. Today, as you can see, I'm showing you a pretty light summer scarf or shawl, and you're going to see how we're going to make it. I have used the wool that I showed you in a haul a little bit ago, and this is what it looks like. So it's going to be super easy. Even if you're a beginner, you can do it. So let's get started right away. So you see here the shape, it's kind of a triangle shape, and it has a pretty nice size too. So yeah, let's get started. Stay tuned. So you guys, I'm using the cotton spray wool for this today. It has 50 grams, 170 meters, 100% cotton today, and it's for a 5mm crocheting hook, and that's what I'm using as well. If you want this exact color, it's number 0. So let's take the label out and we can get started. So it's pretty thin cotton, but that's what makes it perfect for the summer. And you can see here what the texture looks like. The colors are kind of spray painted. That's where the name comes from as well. And yeah, I'm really excited to try this out with you. So let's find the very beginning. So let's do a slip knot first. And we're going to do 4 chains to get started. 3 and number 4, then a yarn over, go into the first one, take the thread with you and go through 2 and through 2 more, and that's a treble. And then we're going to do a chain on top, and we're going to do that again, another treble. So let's see, I have here the height for the first treble, or replace the first treble with 3 chains. Then I have here 1 chain in between, then 1 treble, 1 chain, 1 treble, and that's the entire structure. So now we can get started with row 2. Again, 4 chains. Okay, so we're doing 4 chains, and then we're going to turn the entire piece, and we're going to do a treble around the chain of the last row here. Then again a chain, and then again a treble into the next spot, and you go like that until you get to the edge. So you see here I have here 2 trebles, and the first 3 chains replace the first treble. And then we're going to do 1 more chain so that we can finish off the structure. And we're going to do another treble here at the end. So in the first row, we have 3 trebles. In the second, already 4. So 2 trebles or 3 trebles and the chains that actually replace the first one. Okay, let's start with the next row. Again, 4 chains and turn. And then we're going to do, again, 4 trebles this time, and then finish off, or 5 if we count the first 3 chains as the replaced treble. So now I have the chains and the 4 trebles. So I'm going to count them as 1, but whenever I say 5 trebles, you know one of those is actually 3 chains. So let's start the next row. Again, around the chains, and don't forget the chain in between each treble, and that's all that you need. This was the last one, and that's it. So let's see, now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So yeah, with each row, we just keep increasing. So you guys, I have a little bit done, so I wanted to show you. I think it looks lovely. It has wonderful colors already. It's pretty light, pretty bright, and that's exactly what I want for a summer shawl. So I'll continue, and when I have everything done, then I'm going to show you the end result so that you can see what that looks like as well. So stay tuned for that. So in the meantime, this is what I have. You can see how light this is. It's really, really cool. And yeah, I just think it looks really good. I wanted to show you the ending as well, but first, all of the colors are here. I think it looks really cool. The structure is light. All we have to do now is, as I said, weave the end in. So here it is, a little piece of thread that I have left over. So I'm going to pull that out. There we go, and then I'm going to pull tight on it so that it stays in place, and then when I weave that in as well as the beginning, that's all that I have to do. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Feel free to shoot a thumbs up if you did. You can also subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell if you'd like to get notified every time we post something new. See you next time. Bye!